Everyone wants to hit it big in 2025, but the truth is, money does not just fall from the sky. It flows through businesses or investments. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 profitable businesses that are putting cool cash in the banks of Nigerians. And number 5, you can start it with zero or no capital. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing this face for the first time, my name is Dr. Samuel. Here we talk about how to make money, how to manage, and how to multiply it. If this interests you, why not hit on that subscribe button and like this video so that I can get to a larger audience. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. Number 1 is foodstuff business. Foodstuff business is one lucrative business that you can start with 200 or even less, depending on how you want to start it or your location. So, and it's a very lucrative business because I'm into it. I will tell you for free, you can make 50 to 100,000 per week if you're in a good environment or a good location. So here we don't get skip. I bring real updates, not just content for you. So with foodstuff business, you can cash out every week. All you just need to do is go closer to someone who is already into this business, learn from them so that you don't make mistakes. Yes, and get a good supplier who will always give you quality products, because when your customer buy from you and they find out that you have good products, they will end up coming back again. And that's how you can, that's another publicity for that business. Yes. So number 2 is POS business. POS business is one lucrative business that is putting cool cash in the hands of Nigerians. I know you will say POS is everywhere, but when you are in a good location, you will earn well from POS business. And you don't need much to start this business. All you need is to get a chair, an umbrella, a table, and a POS machine. With your 100,000, you're good to go. I could remember in May, I went to withdraw 100,000. I was charged 2,000 for that 100,000. And presently, for 10,000 naira, they charge 300 naira. So with POS business, you can earn someone's salary, someone's monthly salary per week. Yes, because there are people who earn 50,000 naira presently. Then number 3 is rental services. Rental services is one lucrative business that you can never go wrong if you're in a good location and you can market it well. Yes, I could remember talking to my friend last week. He was like, to rent fog machine now, it's 25,000 in our environment, like where we are now. So, and to get that machine, the new one is 300,000. So to rent it for just an event, full event, is 25,000. Now, if you don't know what fog machine is, it's that thing that brings out smoke in when a couple want to dance, like in a wedding ceremony. That thing that brings out smoke, and you and I will agree in every wedding you must see that thing. So it's one lucrative business. You can decide to be renting chairs, canopies for people who are doing occasions, and every weekend there's always a wedding ceremony or child dedication or openings. Like, this is another lucrative business that if you are good or smart in business, you'll be amazed at what you will earn per week. Then number 4, I guess, is food. Food business is another lucrative business you can venture into and make good profits. You and I will agree that everybody must eat. People must just eat. All you just need to do is to get a good location where it's busy, and you can even decide to do a weighby. Yes, you can decide to do weighby, and your target audience are bachelors or people who work 9 to 5 that don't have time to go to the market to get foodstuff or to even cook. You can cook for them weekly, and if you can get 10 customers that you deliver weekly, you are good to go. You'll be shocked at what you'll be making per week. So food business is one lucrative, and it's so wide. It's so wide in the sense that the snack area is there. All those small chops, samosa and the rest. People who want to do birthday, they can contact you. If that's where you want to specialize in, is another good aspect of food business that is people are cashing out from. That's these small chops. You'll be amazed at what you can be earning weekly. Then number 5 is cleaning service. With this, you can start with zero or no capital. If you all agree with me, we all have mops, brooms, or detergents in our house. So when you hit your first contract, you can start with your own personal things. And when you get paid, you can decide to expand that business. So you can start this business with little or no capital. And where are your target audience? The estates, new buildings, or working class that don't have time to tidy up their home. All you just need to do is to deliver your services well so that you will get referral, and be strategic about it. You'll be shocked at what you'll be earning per week. And if this was helpful, why not drop a comment and let me know the one that interests you the more. And don't forget to subscribe for more money tips. Thank you.